we go here? Keep going straight away. Oklahoma City, west of Reno Street, just southwest of Galatians.
May 31st, 2013. El Reno, Oklahoma. In the Central Plains of the United States, tornadoes are a known risk. Meteorologists and scientists study them to save lives. But on that afternoon, nature created a system that defied all previous models. This is the story of the widest tornado ever recorded in human history, a storm that changed the science of meteorology forever. To understand why this happened, we must look at the atmosphere. That afternoon, 3 extreme air masses collided. Warm, highly humid air from the Gulf of Mexico moved north, smashing into dry air from the western deserts and a cold front from the north. The convective energy in the atmosphere reached catastrophic levels. At exactly 6:03 p.m., a supercell thunderstorm gave birth to a tornado just southwest of El Reno. It began in a rural area, but it wasn't a normal funnel. It was entirely wrapped in a dense wall of heavy rain. To the human eye, the tornado was practically invisible. As the storm moved east, it did something unexpected. Most tornadoes travel in a predictable path, but El Reno did not. It began to move erratically, making sudden loops and accelerating to a forward speed of 55 miles per hour. Within minutes, its diameter expanded exponentially. At its peak, the tornado measured 2.6 miles wide. That is over 4 kilometers of rotating winds on the ground. While its structural damage classified it as an EF3, mobile Doppler radars deployed by research universities measured true wind speeds of 313 miles per hour near the surface. Physically, it possessed the power of an EF5. Because the tornado stayed mostly over open fields, it did not destroy thousands of homes. However, its extreme size and sudden changes in direction turned the local highways into a trap. The storm claimed the lives of 8 people, and tragically, all of them were inside their vehicles. Among the victims were Tim Samaras, his son Paul Samaras, and meteorologist Carl Young. They were part of Twistex, a highly respected scientific research team. It marked the first time in history that professional, certified storm researchers lost their lives while studying a tornado. A local resident and amateur chaser, Richard Henderson, also lost his life after being overtaken by the storm. The El Reno tornado forced the scientific community to reevaluate how they study severe weather. It proved that radar data is essential, as visual observation can be deceptive. It taught schools, cities, and emergency management teams that escaping a tornado in a vehicle on a highway is one of the most dangerous decisions a person can make. Today, the data collected on May 31st is still being used to improve warning systems and save lives in the future. El Reno remains a stark reminder of the absolute, unpredictable power of nature, in memory of those who lost their lives in search of scientific progress. With that said and reported, Apex is withdrawing. Stay alert for any tornado warnings or other disasters. Please take care of yourself and your loved ones. Goodbye.